4 positive cases have been identified overnight.
Oof, so lockdown 2.0.
What a week it's been. Not a lot has happened and also everything's changed. We decided to make the most of it while we can before anything actually happens.
Campbell, I feel like I need your help to tie them.
Why do you need help tying them? Ah, because
Can't
your
bend
jeans.
over.
Alright, well you're going barefoot then.
Coffee's ready, we're ready. We're running a bit late as usual when it comes to sunrise missions, but we're on our way out this morning. We're going to go and check out the Jaonnet Bay. I think it's going to be a nice sunrise, and we've not actually seen a nice sunrise there before, even though it's our favourite beach. So that's the plan of attack for today. Oh man, I did not account some time for this. Joys of winter. Where's the scraper? And that is a view that I can just never get tired of, to be honest with you. It's so beautiful here. We've come down to, what's this place called again? Icart Bay, so it's along Icart Road. It's one of our favourites. I can already see Jaonnet and it's just beautiful. We're going to walk all the way along to there. Better lock the car just in case. It's just a simply stunning morning, guys. Cold one though. On. The joys of using my gimbal.
I have absolutely no idea.
Yeah, so for you guys that watched our sunrise swim video, you'll know the way, but basically we've come down this track here. There's a little wooden bridge that we got to last weekend, and we're just going to go turn down here. The Jaonnet Bay's down that way. I don't know what's that way, maybe Land of Mystery.
Yeah,
We need to actually go and check it out one morning. I've never been up that way. Oh, there's a signpost. That's good. Men don't read directions, so like I'm just gonna pretend that doesn't exist.
Yeah, so we actually do have our hiking boots in the car, but we never seem to actually put them on. We leave the house in our shoes, we get out of the car, we come straight down, and then we remember we should have put on our hiking boots. Here we go, Doc Martens, so leave the day, right?
We're almost down at the beach and my microphone's out of battery. Like, this has been lasting us for about 3 or 4 months now, and I was like, oh yeah, I really should pack a battery in the bag for in case this happens. I don't know if I've got a battery in it and it might be dead. So if you notice a change in quality, that's why. But always pack a spare battery. I feel like I should know that by now. I've been doing video for long enough.
So the reason we love this beach is it's so secluded. You have to come down this hidden trail to find the beach. But oh my goodness, it is a hike. It's always the decision to wear the jacket, to not wear the jacket. This morning we went for the jackets and we are sweating.
There's one thing that can be guaranteed is that you'll be warm by the time you get back up to the top.
Yeah.
So don't worry about going for a swim, the hike will heat you up.
That is very true. Peaking.
Yeah, it's starting to peak. Now, because the Jaonnet Bay is one of the cliff walk ones, the sun actually rises a little bit later than it would if it was over the sea. So it's just kind of rising above the cliffs, which is good for us actually because it gives us an extra half hour, because as we're always running late.
Always. We were lying in bed this morning, like
exactly.
we know we want to go for sunrise. I actually asked Campbell last night. It was late, we were trying to get our last YouTube video chucked together for going live today, this morning, and I said to him last night when he got into bed, where do you want to go for sunrise tomorrow? Or I said, what did I say? Where do you want to go tomorrow? And he's just like, oh, just to bed, I'm so tired. So I was like, okay, we'll decide in the morning. We woke up where do you want to go? Then we decided to come here and realised, okay, we need to get up now and leave in 5 minutes. So as you can possibly imagine, Jaonnet Bay is one of the beaches that you need to visit at low tide. Now low tide this morning was at 7 AM. What time is it now? Oh, can't see.
5 to 8.
It's 5 to 8, so within about an hour the tide is actually creeping up the beach. So I think if you are planning a visit to Jaonnet Bay, then you want to be on the...
An hour on either side.
Yeah, at the later end of the tide going out. Yeah, then you'll make the most of your time here.
Now we've had a bit of fun on the beach. The sun hasn't actually hit it completely yet.
No, it's still peaking.
I know. I think you need to absolutely nail it with the tides. Maybe not this morning. You want it to be high tide about an hour after sunrise. And then maybe you get a golden beach.
Do you think? High tide?
Low tide.
Low tide, yeah.
Yeah, low tide, not high tide. I don't know. It's too early. I've only had one coffee. Give me a break. But yeah, we're going to go and get some shots from the top of the ladder again and just admire the rest of the sunrise because it's only just starting to get golden. Look at that, and it is a gorgeous morning. Oh my god. 10 minutes of running around on the beach and I'm already roasting hot. So that's what I mean by, guys, it doesn't matter what you wear, you're going to be warm when you're heading back to the car from Jaonnet Bay. Oh damn. There's no fly zone here. Forgetting that, to say how close it is to the airport. Guernsey's so small.
Damn.
You know, and all the beautiful parts. Why did they build the airport next to the most beautiful scenery? That's just bad planning, to be honest, because then I can't fly my drone around it. Oh well, just imagine what it's like, guys. You're flying through the air, the cliffs and the waves are crashing, it's beautiful. There you go.
The sun is rising.
Just do that. Tell you what, guys.
Yeah?
Jump on Google Maps, right? Zoom right in on the cliffs and then just pretend you're looking at my drone footage. Top tip. Like, I can't believe that people wouldn't get out of bed to come and look at this. It's just so beautiful. Look how golden that is.
We are going home to fresh bread. And our bread maker!
Fresh bread! I forgot about that. So I've just finished up a 14-hour shift at work. I'm absolutely exhausted, but there's a package waiting for me that makes the whole day absolutely incredible. It's finally arrived, guys. We have become official old age pensioners.
Yay!
What's that, a bread maker?
Yeah.
That is absolutely amazing. Fresh breads for days, guys. We've done it, we're giving up the backpacking. I think we need to get a mortgage, get a house, have kids, and then die, because that's what you usually do after you get a bread maker. Is that your Valentine's present sorted?
Yeah.
Bread.
Yeah. Oh, that
Fresh
makes me
bread
happy.
in the morning.
Easy please. And put it on a delay timer so it'll be ready for when we get back this morning. I can't wait!
But yeah, I reckon we're going to go home, have that bread now, guys, and get stuck into another day's work. Maybe, fingers crossed, if we get through everything, we can maybe head out later on, because it's just such a beautiful day. And the sun's just peeking up behind me. What a cracking day, guys.